Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, it is night outside, obviously. Dark. But by the title of this video, you guys already know we are going to a car meet. Actually, a cars and bubble tea car meet tonight. So we're gonna go check out it. Usually a lot of good cars come out. I haven't been to this one yet, but from what I've been seeing from previous meets, it has some really good cars. Anyway, time for talking's over. Let's hit the road. Guys, we are here and it is absolutely packed. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting so much people. Guys, I'm not even kidding. There's like a ton of people that came out. Like, I was not expecting it. And at 9 p.m. too. Starting off with a banger. GTT. Ooh. Gosh damn, dude. And then right beside it, hold up, I just noticed these guys both have the same wheels. Wow. Dang, MR2, bro. Jeez. That's a car that I definitely do want to own one day. MR2. So underrated. Dang, Type R, clean. S2K. Gosh, damn. Woo. That S15 is so clean, dog. No way, bro. That thing is stupid clean, bro. TEs. I told you guys I want an S15 so bad. Like, oh my gosh, bro. I'll take a S15 over the BRZ any day. I'm pretty sure you guys all agree. Look at that. Static. Gosh damn, bro. Gosh damn, a Supra. Only a matter of time. Jeez. Yo, how have I not seen this right here? S14. Oh my god, these things are freaking fire, man. Alright, what would you guys take? S15 or S14? Let me know. It's a hard choice. S15 for me, but still can appreciate these. Bro, look at all the BRZs. Holy, and FRS, whatever. You guys know what I mean. Look at that. Gosh damn it. Sheesh. We've seen this before. Thing is on the ground, dude. Look at that carbon weave. It's like honeycomb. Look at this. This thing is sick. Well, I don't know what this is, so forgive me, guys, but looks nice. Little BBS wheels. What? So apparently this is a Toyota. I had never seen this one before. Damn, man. Another one. Ooh. No way, bro. Dang, S-chassis are taking over. That is beautiful. Guys, look at these things, man. Like, what the hell? Nice, clean little blow-by. Beamer. Yo. Look at all these, dude. S13. There's a lot of S-chassis out tonight. Bro, look at this. S-chassis. 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 Is that thing actually rotary powered? Oh man, another MR2. Oh boy. There are a lot of nice cars out. I am so glad I came out to this one. S2K. Yo, another MR2, dog. Miata. What's the chances of you running into a bunch of S chassis and a bunch of MR2s? Miata, 350Z, a FC. Like, this is crazy, guys. Bro, no way. Another S15 and another S13 and another one right there. This is crazy, bro. And just a casual SC400 chilling here also. Bro, another S15. Are you kidding me right now? Way too much cars here, bro. Jeez. Miata. Subi. And another Subi, a bug eye. Now this is fitment, man. Holy Meisters. Nah, bro, this 86 goes hard. Look at that, guys. Got one right here, but jeez, that wrap is nasty. I like it. It's different. Sheesh. There's the pink Miata. The Jenny. Another Type R. FC. Oh my gosh. RPF 1s. Love it. Damn. Got some Subis, Mazda, an old Corvette, another S2K in a beautiful blue color. Toaster box. Look at them. See. Civic. Oh boy, GR86. Woo. Next car? Huh? Next car? Bro, no way. Another S15. How many is that already? R33? What? Oh my goodness, it's JDM heaven here, guys. Gotta appreciate a little Euro love. We're just chilling here, getting some nice boba tea. Another 240. Hey. Yo, it really is S-Chassis heaven out here. Gosh damn, bro. Those are clean too. Look how mean that Type R looks. Oh man, that is menacing. You can see some forged carbon fiber on there too. TEs. Damn. Here's another thing you don't see every day, the 3rd gen of the MR2. People don't like these ones, but honestly, they're alright. They're not my favorite either, but that is pretty cool though to see one in the flesh. There's that Supra that we seen earlier. Freaking clean. Sheesh. Silver on a Supra. What do you guys think? You guys like it? I dig it. Yo, we just got a little AE86 just chilling in the corner over here. Gee, yeah. These cars are so hard to find now. Like literally, and they cost so much. Okay guys, look at this clean IS right here. Yes, sir. Alright guys, look. Another S15. What? This Z looks pretty sick too. RPF 1s. Sheesh, another 240. IS. Looking banging. Damn, this lineup. S15, S13, IS, S13, S13. Dang, Toyota Chaser just sitting here casually. Type R. Rega Masters. Perfect family car. Imagine having a Chaser as your family car. That is crazy. Oh boy. Another car I want. NSX TEs. Damn. Wait, look how low that is. Gosh, that thing looks good. Bro, another NSX right across from that one. An original too. First owner. Evo right in front of us. But look at that, guys. A completely stock one and a modified one right down there. Another S2K. Sheesh. Oh, I think this is a lady driven one. Carbon wing. And then we got some key trucks. What? A wide body key truck. What? Yo, this is what? It's wide body. What the hell? What? Oh man, R32. Oh man. Look at these cars, man. Holy, it's JDM heaven, bro. Damn. G80? What do you guys think? Ooh! Has that front grille too. What do you guys think of this, man? Sheesh. M3 carbon ducktail. They look menacing, man. Wasn't a huge fan of it, but it's growing on me. Sheesh. Green Techie. This thing is clean, man. There is so much clean cars here. That's nice. Damn. Too many nice cars out here, bro. And a chick is driving that? What? Damn. That is stupid clean. Look at that. Gosh damn. I absolutely love this wide body K truck. That is so hard, bro. Like, that is so sick. Sheesh. Clean. That's clean. Wide bodied. Wide bodied. Wide bodied. Sheesh. Look at this 8.6. The color, I dig it. Wheels look pretty hard. I love that dang duck bill. Best one. I think that's the leg sport if I remember. But sheesh. I think a Veris front end STI over there. The STI looks so hard, bro. I love those tails. Bro, like, holy. So many cars that came out, guys. Insane. Bro, look how much Evos there are. What? Stupid clean S14. God damn. Beside this S2K. Look at that color. Gosh damn, bro. Remember this M4. Max's car sounds insane. Damn. Here's Tiff's car. I see you. Got your little ski box. So many hatches though. One and literally another one right there. Sheesh. A lot of people are starting to go home now. As you can see, the parking lot is starting to clear up a little. Still a few cars out though. Don't see too much Alfa Romeos. Got an EP3 over here, SIR. Sheesh. These are actually nice. And look at this. A Prelude and an S chassis. Gosh. Damn. Woo. Hey, that looks sick. Those wheels are actually really hard. I don't know what they are, but I know that there's some type of works. Back to all these Evos. Look at this. Jeez. These look nice, dog. Look at the little Civic over here by itself. Oh. Okay. Sheesh. That IS is not stock. I'm walking back to my car. Hello, Mazda parks beside me. How sweet is that? That's cool. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for me. damn, it is getting really cold now, so I definitely don't want to be out there. But overall, guys, super good turnout. I am very glad I came to this one. I've never been to this one before, so it's super cool that I caught it right at the season closer. But anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to smash that like button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed. Peace.